Guys, I had my house done and stuff. As you can see, I'm in my room playing with some of my slime. It's my beautiful glittery slime. And right now, I'm gonna give you guys a house tour because my house got cleaned and stuff. Guys, let's go. Since I'm in my room, I'll show you my room. There's little things over here with all my stuff in here. This is the floor. This is my kitchen food. Their play food. This is my bookshelf with my radio and stuff, and then the books on there. Yeah, as you can see, here's my shelf, but it's not a thing now, guys. My brother's right there singing Baby Shark with my little sister's cat. Guys, I'm gonna set you guys right here. Before we return to our thing, I want to show you guys my brand new slime. It's so glittery. And if you guys want some slime, I'm on Hillman Road West, 3957 Hillman Road West. That is my street, 3957 Hillman Road West. And I'm going to be selling slime. So if you guys want to come and get some slime, then you better come. Okay, hold on, guys. I just got my container. Okay, there we go. I got it. This slime is so... That was a weird sound. Guys, I'm going to put my slime away. Ooh, I have candy canes, guys. Hey, let's continue. This is my door going out. That's my mom and dad's room. My dad's in there. This is my brother's room. As you can see, there's this Fortnite gun and all his stuff.
Ow.
Okay.
Let's get some of this stuff picked up.
That's my cat. I'm going to my cat. If you guys want to see my brother, he's right here under these blankets. If he pops his head out, see, guys, he's acting like he's sleeping. If you guys can see him, I'm going to try to show you guys. Say hi. I want them to see you. Oh, there's my baby sister, guys. She's 1. Hey, 1-year-old, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, people. Say hi, people. She's eating a candy cane. I don't think she wants to say hi. I'm going to show you guys the kitchen. Of course, the old little... And there's our microwave. So, this is 10. That's the stove. And this is my grandma.
Hi.
I'm filming and I'm doing a house tour. Whoa. This is a freaking ice.
Where's Yellow? Shut that door.
Wake up. Bye, guys. Bye-bye.